Pugsy Bug rhymes.
In a garden full of morning dew, little bees had things to do. With aprons tied and hats on neat, they baked with honey soft and sweet. They stirred with spoons of leafy wood and rolled out dough as best they could. Pollen powder puffed around as buns and cakes spun round and round. They sang a song while mixing cream and made a pie that smelled like dream. Tiny ovens made of stone baked gently with a buzzing tone. The breeze came in with a cozy sigh as cookies cooled beneath the sky. Bees sat down with sleepy grins and licked the honey from their chins. With full round chubbies and happy eyes, they watched the golden sunrise rise, then curled up snug behind the tree and hummed soft dreams so sleepily.